88 Fleer basketball. 10. Guys, don't forget what I'm giving away here. All you have to do is buy a single spot, and you would win. You get a chance to win a 59 Topps Brooks Robinson and the final spot in our giveaway for 2009 Bowman Aflac Bryce Harper rookie card. Telephone, Robert. Figured I'd let you guys know. Come on, guys. You got to get in it to win it, right? Let's buy some spots. Let's buy some spots.
Win your jersey.
You got your spot purchases gets you makes you eligible to win a 59 Brooks Robinson right here, or a Bryce Harper, a spot in our 2009 Bowman Aflac Bryce Harper giveaway. We have one spot to fill it. One spot remains. All you got to do is buy a single purchase between 710 and when I finish opening up this 88 Fleer, and I have an 89 score football pack to open. Right now, one entry. Only one entry. Here we go.
No, first thing to do is send tickets first. Send tickets? Yeah, no less. That's possible.
Okay.
No,
Spot one.
repless.
Daniel. Alex English, All-Star sticker. Spot two. James Chu, Joe Barry Carroll.
Mostly from the 70s and back only. Mostly the 70s and back. The cards from the 70s.
Spot three, Frank Brakowski.
Yes.
James got a nice Hall of Fame rookie card coming for you. Dennis Rodman, the Worm rookie card.
Got the email address? Hello?
Spot five, Joe Klein. James Chu. Spot six, Danny Shays, Dan Seltzer. Spot seven, Mark West, James. Here's spot eight, James Chu, Blair Rasmussen. Spot nine, Daniel Seltzer, Terry Porter. Spot 10, Derek Harper. Eddie Johnson, spot 11. Larry Nance, spot 12. Alright guys, buy a spot, any spot, $3 or more, gets you entered into a drawing to win either this 59 Brooks Robinson or a free spot in our 2009 Bowman Aflac Bryce Harper giveaway. Here's the card right here, somewhere. Here's a Harper that I was going to show you. There it is. We're giving that away. There's one spot left. Spend 50, you get a spot. Of course, we're giving a spot away. All you gotta do is buy a single spot while I'm breaking these 3 packs of cards here. Gerald Wilkins, Daniel Seltzer. Right now, there's only one entry so far, and that's Russ D. And I got one more pack to open, and then the window closes for that giveaway. That's 88 Fleer basketball.